iPhone 6s Plus. Goodbye. Goodbye iPhone. Hello S9 Plus. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. The box, this is dual, so this is dual SIM. This is the logo. Side box, the upper box. Southeast Asian SIM card only because we're here in Malaysia. This is the IMI codes. Okay, let's quickly check what's inside the box. So here, this is the SIM card removal. This S9 comes with this silicone case, and here some quick start guide, but I think we don't need this anymore. Let's try it. This is the free transparent silicone case. So this is the actual phone. This is the Galaxy S9 Plus. The size of the screen is 6.2 inches. Okay, so here is the phone itself. At the back, it got two camera. The first camera is the wide angle camera, and then the second one is the telephoto camera, and also the fingerprint scanner is at the back. Now let's check what's inside the box. Okay, so we got the charger, and then this is the earphone, and this is the cable for the charger, and then this one is the OTG USB connector. I think Samsung predicted that a lot of people will move from iPhone to Samsung, that's why they provide. This also comes with the USB Type-C adapter so that you can still use some old Samsung charger to this Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. This is the welcome screen, just like the usual Samsung phones. So these are all the things that's inside the box of S9 Plus. So on our next video, we'll show you on how to transfer files from iPhone to S9 Plus using the USB OTG plug that comes with S9 Plus. Thanks for watching.